say goodbye.
Everybody wants to be famous. Everybody wanna make it. Everybody trying to get somewhere. Everybody wants attention.
Hey family, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Patrice. So in today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair. I'm going to be doing lock knots. So I freshly washed my hair already. I oiled my scalp and the length of my hair. I actually use the Dew Growth Stimulating Hair Oil. This is not the oil that I usually use. I'm someone who I'm always faithful to Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer, but since I ran out, I'm using this oil today on my scalp and I already applied it. And as for the length of my hair, I'm using the Hollywood Beauty Jojoba oil. This is not the best oil, so I don't use this on my scalp, but I do use it on the length of my hair as of recent because of the smell. It smells so good and it makes my hair so nice and shiny. So as you can see, my hair does look much darker, or it does look dark because I oil the length of my hair. So if you're ever wondering, how do you get your hair so shiny? How do you get your hair so dark? I don't dye my hair very often, but I do dye it either once a year or every 6 or so months, and I have not dyed my hair since the last time. It's been about 8 months now since I've dyed my hair, or probably longer. I did upload a video on me dyeing my hair and it was a disaster, but it turned out really well, and this is what we're at right now. I've already done lock knots before on my channel, but I will be demonstrating how to do it here because you're going to see me do it. And I also want to thank everyone for supporting me and just subscribing to my channel. If you're new or if you're not new, I really love each and every one of you guys, and I thank you guys for your support. I actually forgot to mention that I'm going to be trimming some of my locks. You see how it flaps like that? I want to trim right there. I usually don't trim straight across. I usually trim like at an angle because it doesn't, unravel at the ends, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna trim at an angle, so I'm gonna trim like here, this way, going this way. So I'm just gonna go through all of my locks to see where I need to trim. This needs a trim, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim. And the reason why my locks look like the way they do is because I do this. I go through all of my locks to make sure that they're healthy. The thing about the lock journey is that your locks will start thinning at the ends. Some of you guys get scared, but sometimes your hair just starts thinning, and it's because it's aging. It's a normal process too, so it's not a big deal for me. I find this part to be very important. Some people don't believe they should ever trim. I'm not one of those people. So remember when I told you guys about my locks getting trapped into the machine at the gym? You guys see that? Yeah, you just gotta go. So say goodbye. What is this? What is this? You guys see that? Yeah, that's the problem. So the way that I keep my hair healthy is by trimming them when they need to be trimmed. Sometimes you just really have to let go. So I know some people have an attachment to their hair, but it's very important to understand that the health of your hair matters the most than the length, because your hair will grow. It'll be all right. I'm just going to cut it right there. That's just so here is the locks that I trimmed for today.
You've got fashion and style. I'm loving your smile and the way you get down. Love that, baby. Rock with me now. I can't see no one else. It's you by yourself. Yeah, in spite of the crowd. Baby, no one else matters. Starting up with a kiss. Never expecting this. Never been coping with my addiction. Starting up with a kiss. Never expecting this. Never been coping with my addiction. While all the girls say, I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. My addiction. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. My addiction. When I'm looking in the mirror, honey, you are all I see. And it could not be no clearer that I need you here with me. You feel it? Let's go. I was hoping you'd notice the way that I like to have you around, yeah. Listen, and you will find that your heart beats for me. Girl, I hear the sound, and it only gets better. It's starting up with a kiss. Never expecting this. Never been coping with my addiction. Starting up with a kiss. Never expecting this. Never been coping with my addiction. While all the girls say, I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. You're my addiction. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. You're my addiction.
Yeah, now let me find out. I got you in me wind out. I get them hooked like I do a fishing line out. Gotcha. My white girl keep me fed lined out. I'm too cheap, so I stay Gucci signed out. And I get so much attention. They sit and talk about me like intervention. They say that white phantom looks so cocaine. I hop out the suicides looking so Cobain. And I just call me love when they know your name. They like low so we already know so dang. They come back 1 more grams. Right back like Lindsay out the program. Yeah. Addiction. I got you so addicted, baby. You sound like Poogie. It just keep calling. I just keep calling. Yeah. All that for prayers, like I said. No souls is running, mate, man. I'm riding with you, homie.